Well, being that I was newly elected in August and we started our journey in September, we knew that we walked into a real mess, and we knew that Odyssey wasn't working to the best of the ability of the office. There wasn't a direct line between Odyssey with our finance system, so we worked on that as well as our Clerk Edition.
We had to get our employees to be more consistent about how they were entering the data in this new system, because it was so open and so many different ways that they could enter the data. One of the things we found prior to implementation was we have two major reports that we were having problems with: the caseload reporting to the state and our billing from the state. And we realized that the problem was, again, our cases weren't being processed consistently.
I was able to build and create buttons where they can hit one button and it will do 8 things instead of having to do each of the 8 things, which speeds up the process, saves a lot of time. Being able to use Clerk Edition in all our divisions, so now everyone's doing the same thing instead of maybe one division getting the process done, but maybe a little bit differently that would affect. Now we have all the divisions doing the same thing.
We've actually had multiple clerks come up to us and they told us a couple of months ago, I'm not going to like Clerk Edition. I don't want to have to learn something new. And those same clerks come up to me and come whisper in my ear, okay, I got to admit, it works. It's a lot better. It's faster. Our billing department now is getting more data on their billings than they had before, things that they weren't getting before. Work that they had to do before they're not having to do now because the system's doing it for them.
We have been so fortunate in that we don't necessarily pay overtime for our clerks, and so it helps them with time management as well as being more efficient, because they can get their work done and then they can utilize the system, Clerk Edition, to help expedite the process. All the citizens have a right to a speedy trial, or the defendants, and so this helps with that process, and we're able to report to the state as well more effectively, and we're able to assist the attorneys in the information that they need, and actually for us to draw down and do reporting. This team has really worked hard since I've been in office, and we are just so excited that we've been able to make the progress that we have and for that to be recognized.